The Buddhist influence is seen in Bhakti Sampradayas. Bhakti Sampradayas, Bhakti Acharyas who parrot Buddha in saying you don't need to do rituals. You don't need to follow Vaidika Karma. Do your bhakti. Oh, bola, do your sadhan. Ye bola, do your bhakti. Where people were forced to reject the rituals. Ayamloka, Swargaloka, Brahmaloka. Other way of representation is what? Buhu, Ayamlokaha, Buhu, Buaha, Suvaha, Mahaha, Janaha, Tapaha, Satyam. See, any sampradaya which talks about any highest loka, the greatest abode, it is referring to the Satyam, Satya Loka. So there is some correlation and they correlate it with our Loka. So generally this Loka is an outcome of Vaidika Karma and Karma Sahita Upasana. But in Bhakti Sampradaya, they kind of correlate. बोले ये सब का वैदिक कर्म करने का जरूरत नहीं है, भक्ति कर दो बस. It looks like a lot of Buddhist influence has been there where people were forced to reject the rituals in some way or the other. So the Bhakti Sampradayas which generally accuse Advaita Siddhanta, accuse Adi Shankaracharya, the Buddha's influence. हमें बौद्ध influence नहीं है, because we follow the Veda Antabhaga. Don't superimpose. We don't superimpose any views on Vedanta. What Vedanta is saying, that's what we understand. So there's no Buddhist influence. The Buddhist influence is seen in Bhakti Sampradayas. Bhakti Sampradayas, Bhakti Acharyas who parrot Buddha in saying you don't need to do rituals. You don't need to follow Vaidika Dharma. Do your bhakti. Oh, bola, do your sadhan. Ye bola, do your bhakti. Do bhakti to Bhagavan. Even Ramanuja said this. All these dravyas which you offer in the yajna, dravya yajna. Dekho. So all these dravyas you offer in yajna, better go and feed some people who are hungry and do bhakti to Bhagavan. That Sharanagati will take care. So it's all Buddhist influence in Sanatana. इधर ये बात नहीं हो रहा कि ये करेक्ट है रॉन्ग है, क्योंकि काल क्रमेण change has to come. Things has to change. Because this whole Bauddha Mata, this renaissance was born of certain wrong application of things which are said in Shastra. The Jativad, which is racism, has been taken. So it's some kind of a revolution. So if some adaptation is not done, then the Dharma will not survive. So everything, with a point where everyone is okay with, we adapt and move forward. So this is how, at an individual level, individuals adapt to changing situations. At a total level, cultures, religions, all adapt to the changes happening in every contemporary time. Because the value ahimsa is not Buddhist value. वो उसका मत नहीं है. This ahimsa is a matam of Veda. Ahimsa paramo dharma. So these are things picked up from Veda and then, but Vaidika Karma, and then in the name of Vaidika Karma, what is being done in the contemporary society, that was rejected. But ahimsa is Veda dharma. Ahimsa paramo dharma. That's followed. We have no problem. No problem. We also are supposed to follow ahimsa. So coming back, there's a lot of Buddhist influence in various rituals, in various, not rituals, various Bhakti Sampradayas. In fact, in all the Bhakti Sampradayas. So their views on Jativad, their views on ahimsa, their views on not doing Vaidika Karma, finding reason for not doing Vaidika Karma, is all Buddhist views which they have got. And here I'm not saying that is a wrong thing, that is a right thing. Here wrong right का judgment के लिए नहीं बता रहा हूँ. So what is there? What has happened? The changing time, which has helped Sanatana Dharma move forward. You can take it that way. बट इन्फ्लुएंस है.